CaityB back in the building with another reaction video with MommaB, and we're gonna be reacting to MRVZ My Way. It dropped March the 3rd, so not long ago, not too long ago.
Blacktown.
When you come my way, trust that I hold it right down for my city, my heart in the 48. My love for my side, I'm real. To be honest, I don't really know what to say. Always with the hardest A. Blacktown to be exact. 48 up in the year, we ain't stopping nowhere. When you come my way.
I thought they were Kiwis.
Yeah.
I mean,
I think he was in, yeah. He must be in Brisbane or something. Blacktown.
Blacktown's in Sydney.
Yeah.
Trust that I hold it right down for my city, my heart in the 48. My love for my side, I'm real. To be honest, I don't really know what to say. Always with the hardest A. Blacktown to be exact. 48 up in the air, we ain't stopping nowhere. When you see the yellow light on my chest, forever screaming checkmate, never playing checkers, just chess. Never out looking for the beef, stay rapping for the whole West Indian, it's love to the rest. I'm just here to make it clear that we here. Blacktown 48 and we there. Cruising down the hood with the tape on my bumper. Why out jumper? You best beware that I be here for the
Different from his other songs.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's actually
like,
rapping.
Yeah.
Rapping,
Get never playing with the mic. That is like playing with my life. I don't never lay low, but you know that I be on my J. I'm only here for one night just to break it down. My crazy sound is getting to you. Man, I just want the credit when the credit is due.
Did you hear how he's saying he wouldn't ever play with the mic because it's like playing with his life? So he wouldn't mess with his own music career because that's his life.
Feel like new rappers, they be jumping the cube, and I ain't trying to take shots, I'm just speaking the truth. Never been the one to speak falsely. My friends and my family, they know me. Forever had it down for the ones I love. Since I don't want to click bang, yeah, the old me. I went from loophole with a big boy Mars. Then boy Mars straight to being just Mars. Got nothing to lose, but don't abuse my energy. I do what I do to put my hood where it's meant to be. You come my way. Trust that I hold it right down for my city, my heart in the 48. My love for my side, I'm real. To be honest, I don't really know what to say. Always with the hardest A. Blacktown to be exact. 48 up in the air, we ain't stopping nowhere. We come my way. Trust that I hold it right down for my city, my heart in the 48. My love for my side, I'm real. To be honest, I don't really know what to say. Always with the hardest A.
Yeah, you can't explain the love that you have for your place that you call home, eh? Like, he was like, yeah, he's saying something, but he doesn't know what to say because home is home. Like, you can't.
Because home is where you're safe.
Yeah.
Home is where you got memories and the foundations of your family.
Yeah, you can't possibly explain. You have to be there to know.
Yeah.
Home is where the heart is. Say less.
Blacktown to be exact. 48 up in the air, we ain't stopping nowhere when you come my way. Most people looking and judge. I step foot in and fell in love. It's just like that. I've been rough around the edges, but I like that. I'm from Angry and this is just like that. Suburban boy, I shake this game. I stepped on the scene and made my name. But still remaining guarded, I never change. I still maintain the love, but I flex on pain. Now best believe that my seat's reserved. I don't have to prove nothing. I've been wrecking mics since my birth. Yeah, you guess it. You're on the guest list of my performance, and I'ma keep on pushing hard around until I'm touring. Head over heels, no lowering. I'm an OG, no warring. 48 reppin', Blacktown to be exact. Check the map, yellow line, follow that T1, it's where it's at. See, since I was 6, I was handing the mic. I got told to only speak facts, truth, and light. Never.
The kid was doing the hooligan hips move.
He's from Sydney, though.
Yeah.
Never speak nothing that you never been through. Never speak about the places that you never been to. Just the home with the work.
So true, eh? Like,
so
don't
true.
talk about things you haven't been through.
Yeah.
Someone's got me here.
I'm just aiming for the checkpoint until then I hold it down so they remember the name. Still Mars, all caps, so make me say it again. Trust that I hold it right down for my city, my heart in the 48. My love for my side, I'm real. To be honest, I don't really know what to say. Always with the hardest A. Blacktown to be exact. 48 up in the air, we ain't stopping nowhere. We come my way. Trust that I hold it right down for my
Why you don't see much girls in clips here?
my love for my side, I'm real. To be honest, I don't really know what to say. Always with the hardest A. Blacktown to be exact. 48 up in the air, we ain't stopping nowhere. When you come my way. Trust that I hold it right down for my city, my heart in the 48. My love for my side, I'm real. To be honest, I don't really know what to say. Always with the hardest A. Blacktown to be exact. 48 up in the air, we ain't stopping nowhere. When you come my way. Trust that I hold it right down for my city, my heart in the 48. My love for my side, I'm real. To be honest, I don't really know what to say.
Not bad, Molly. I am Molly's.
Very nice, eh?
Oh, this one got me heated. I love it. I love that I could understand what he's saying. Clear in what he's speaking. I love that he was real with his clip. You know, just finished work straight from the train station to doing his clip, and then I love it. Heaps of different things. I love the quality. You know, I felt like it was different seeing girls in there as well. Like, you don't see much girls in some of the guys' clips, so I like that. I liked how he was talking about home is where the heart is, and don't talk about it if you know, stuff that we pointed out. I like the lyrics. I love the lyrics. I love the beat, especially where it cut off and then it went back in. I give it a 9. I give it a 9. I like it. What do you think, MommaB?
I like the I liked everything about it. To me, I got truth from it, just like #truth.
Yeah, it was full like, yes, preach.
And I see all these the young ones around him, and I feel like he's that role model for them. Yeah.
Love it, man. And he seems like such a humble guy.
Yeah, he seems like he's leading them down the right path, not leading them wrong, you know. Very nice.
You've been about it, bro. You've been about it. Frick, man.
Totally different vibe from his last. I mean, not vibe. Totally. Yeah. It's along the same lines, like family orientation. He mentioned Maangili over here too. And just.
What do you rate it, MommaB?
Oh, I give it a 9. I give it a 9.
Ah!
Oh no. I give it a 10.
You give it a 10?
Yeah, I don't know why 9, but I give it a 10 because it made me feel, you know, I was comfortable with his lyrics.
Nothing felt untrue.
Out of place. Yeah.
And he's even saying my family and stuff know I'm like this, you know. Polymovement, fam. Snap. Hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. Yeah, I'll have them down in my description box below for you guys to check out their channels, their other music and social media for you guys. Again, #Polymovement. Don't forget. Much love, stay safe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.